This code has the functionality that was specified. For each of the cases where the program should stop crawling Wikipedia, there's an if or an elif statement with a print statement and a return statement. If none of those cases apply, we return true. This is my code, and it definitely isn't the only way to make it work. Your answer might be different, and that's fine. There's one place where I'd like to make an improvement to this code. Here I wrote the limit of 25 steps as part of the if statement. If I wanted to change the maximum number of steps allowed in the future, I'd have to find this line in the code and change it manually to another value. This kind of thing is called a magic number. That just means a value included in the code with no explanation. It's better to avoid using magic numbers and instead encode such a value in a variable. This way, the meaning of the number is much clearer to somebody reading the code, and it's easy to replace it if needed. To remove this magic number, I'm going to add a new argument to the continue crawl function, the maximum number of steps allowed. I'll call it max steps. I want to keep the functionality exactly the same as before, so I'm going to give max steps a default value of 25. And I'll replace the 25 in the code with max steps. Now, if Philip wants to use a different number of steps, he can easily change it when he calls the function. But if he just uses 2 arguments, my default value of 25 will be the limit.